Good morning, dear friends. In today's lecture, I will discuss the most important chapter of English grammar, noun. Students often get confused in identifying which type of noun is this. Is it common noun or is it proper noun? Is it concrete noun or is it material noun? They become totally confused. If we talk about noun, in English grammar, there are 8 types of noun. As we talk about common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. These are the forms of noun. But in reality, there are only 2 types of noun. Concrete form of noun and abstract form of noun. In simple terms, we can say that tangible form of noun and intangible form of noun. Tangible form of noun refers to those objects which can be seen, which can be listened, which can be touched, and which can be smelled. But in case of intangible form of noun, our 5 senses fail in identifying those objects. If our senses fail in identifying objects, it means it is an abstract noun. And if our 5 senses identify them, it means they are concrete form of noun. Common noun, when we talk about common noun refers to those objects which are common in itself. But a proper noun refers to those things, those names which are specific in itself. As we say that district, state, country, these are the common noun. But if we say that district Prayagraj, state UP, country India, then they are a proper noun. So common noun focuses on generalized things, but a proper noun focuses on specified things. Boy, girl, man, woman, these are the common nouns. But if we talk about Mohan, Syam, Geeta, Rita, Sita, these are the proper nouns. If we say day or month or year, these are the common nouns because they are talking about generalized things. Day, which type of day? We don't know. Which type of year? We don't know. But when we talk about Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these are the specific name of the day. Then we can say these are proper nouns. If we say January, February, March, April, May, these are the proper nouns. So we can say that generalized things are kept under the category of a common noun, but specific things cannot be kept under the category of a common noun. They can be kept under the category of proper nouns. In case of common noun has the right of taking article with them, but proper noun cannot take article with them. The major difference between a common noun and a proper noun is that on one hand where proper noun cannot take an article, but a common noun, for a common noun it is very compulsory to take an article. proper noun can be seen, can be written, proper noun can be written in bold letters, in capital letters, no matter where they fall. But in case of common noun, they can be written in capital letters only at the very beginning of a sentence. They cannot be written in capital letters in the middle or at the ending part of a sentence. They can be written only at the very beginning of a sentence. But such condition is not applicable in case of proper noun. Proper noun can be written where they fall. As we say that subject is a common noun, but if we say English, math, reasoning, these are the proper nouns. And a proper noun will be written in capital letters no matter where they fall. If they fall at the very beginning of a sentence, they can be written in bold letters or in capital letters. If they fall at the middle of a sentence, they can be written in bold letters or capital letters. If they fall at the very end of a sentence, then they should be written in capital letters. So, to be a part of a sentence, it depends upon the structure of a sentence which will decide a word's parts of speech. It is not the word which will decide its parts of speech. It is the structure of a sentence which will decide their parts of speech. For example, if we say the Kapil Sharma show, here Kapil Sharma is a proper noun, but show is a proper noun, common noun. Article is placed with proper noun, but in reality article is not with a proper noun Kapil Sharma, but article is with common noun show. So we can say that it is not the word which will decide its parts of speech, but it is the structure of a sentence where they fall that will decide its parts of speech. Although Kapil Sharma is a noun, proper noun, but here Kapil Sharma is working as an adjective because it falls at the very first before a noun. So we can say that it is the structure of a sentence which will decide a word's parts of speech. As we say that Mohan goes to school. In this sentence, school is not a noun, but here school is working as a adverb of place because it is not an object of preposition, but it is an object of, it is not an object of verb. Sorry, it is not an object of verb, but it is an object of preposition. In English grammar, objects are always a noun or a pronoun. Some of the students get confused in identifying an object in a sentence. They become totally confused in identifying whether it is the object of preposition or it is the object of a verb. Here I will try to make them known about its fact, how to understand is it the object of a verb or is it the object of a preposition. A transitive verb has the right of taking an object with them. Only transitive verb. Intransitive verb cannot take an object in a sentence. Only there is a simple way in identifying an object in a sentence. we will have to ask only a simple question to a verb. What? If its answer is a noun or a pronoun, then it is a transitive verb. If its answer is not a noun or pronoun, then it is an intransitive verb. If I say Mohan goes to school, here school is not an object of verb go, but it is an object of preposition to. So, object of preposition can be noun or pronoun. They can be adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of reason. But object of a verb is always a noun or a pronoun. But object of preposition cannot be always a noun or pronoun. It will be an adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of reason, etc. So, we can say that objects are always noun or pronoun. And to identify in a sentence, is there an object or not, we will ask only a simple question, what? The answer of what is only a noun or pronoun. But answer of why is not a noun or pronoun. Answer of where is not a noun or pronoun. Answer of what may refer to a noun or pronoun. But answer of when refers to a time. Answer of where refers to adverb of place. Answer of why refers to adverb of reason. So it is very simple to identify an object in a sentence, whether it is the object of a verb or is it the object of preposition. Sorry. Where a verb is taking an object, it means it is a transitive verb. Where verb has no need of an object, it means it is intransitive verb. So, we want to come back in the chapter of a noun, where we were discussing about nouns and its variants. So, in English grammar, only there are two types of noun. First is intangible form of noun and another is tangible form of noun. Tangible form of noun can be observed, can be touched, can be smelled, but intangible form of noun cannot be seen, cannot be touched, cannot be tasted, cannot be smelled. In English grammar, there are 8 types of nouns. When we talk about common noun, students often get confused in identifying whether is it common noun or concrete noun. There are some similarities with common noun and concrete noun. Because common noun, if we talk about a common noun, a tree is a common noun. But wood of tree is not a common noun, but a concrete noun, material noun. would is kept in English grammar in under the category of uncountable noun, because we cannot count wood, we can count only pieces of wood. So in English grammar, when we talk about common noun refers to generalized things. Any name in general refers to common noun. Any name in a specified form refers to proper noun. Apart from this, we are going to discuss between the differences between material noun and concrete noun. Concrete noun is modified form of material noun. Material noun is always in uncountable form, whereas concrete noun is in countable form of noun. We can count concrete noun, but we cannot count material noun. Iron, gold, water, concrete, sand, we cannot count them. So things which can be counted can be kept under the category of a concrete noun, and things which we cannot count can be kept under the category of material noun. Apart from this, we are going to discuss another part of noun, such as collective noun. Here collective noun refers to a group. It may be a group of people, it may be a group of animals, it may be a group of army, it may be a group of police, any group. When we talk about its singularity and plurality, if a group is supposed to have more than one person, it is a collective noun. If all the members of a committee are working along with and they are unanimous in their views, then the committee will take singular form of noun. But if all the members of the committee are not unanimous in their point of view, all the members of committee are not all the members of committee do not agree with each other, then the committee will take plural verb. If all the members of army are unanimous in their point of view, if all the members are working the same things, then it will take singular verb. If all the members of any group are working differently, then it will take a plural verb. So in simple terms, we can say that diversity on the part of a group refers to its plurality, and unity on the part of any group refers to its singularity. We are going to discuss the next part of a noun. Countable, as we know, countable or uncountable noun. Things which we can count can be kept under the category of countable noun. Things which we cannot count can be kept under the category of uncountable noun. The major difference between material noun and a concrete noun refers to its singularity and plurality. When we talk about a material noun is always kept under the category of uncountable noun. We cannot count a material noun, but we can count a concrete noun. Although concrete noun is a purified form of a material noun. So we can differentiate it by its singularity and plurality. When material noun is in uncountable noun, is an uncountable form, then it is totally material. Because material refers to a concrete things which is in uncountable form of noun. But concrete things which are purified form of a material noun refers to its singularity and plurality. Of any object made of a material can be called a concrete noun, because we can count a chair although it is made of wood. We count home although it is made of concrete, sand, cement, which are uncountable material noun. So things which we can count can be kept under the category of concrete noun, and things which we are not able in counting them can be kept under the category of material noun. So material noun cannot take article with it until it works as a common noun. We can say gold is a precious thing. This sentence is right. If we see the gold of China, here we are talking about the specific gold. Which type of gold? This is the gold of China. This is the gold of India. Gold in itself cannot take an article because it is a material noun. Concrete noun as mobile, laptop, printer, TV, radio. These are concrete noun because they are purified form of material noun. So we can differentiate material noun from concrete noun by its singularity and plurality. And in case of collective nouns always refers to a group. It may be a group of people, it may be a group of animal, it may be a group of army, it may be a group of police, anything. If more than one person establishes a group, then it will be called a group and it will come under the category of a collective noun. Apart from this, some students ask me whether can we use article with proper noun or not. We may use article with proper noun when they are behaving like a common noun. If they are not behaving like a common noun, we cannot use article with them. Common noun always take article, no doubt. But proper noun cannot take article until it will work like a common noun. Although in some sentences we have seen that a proper noun taking an article with them. For your kindest information, I will tell you here article is not with proper noun, but article is with a common noun. As some students say, Ganga, the name of a river. Why do we use article with Ganga? For your condensed information, the article is not with the proper noun Ganga. Here article is with the river, which is a common noun. The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a proper noun, but we are using article with it because article is not with the Taj Mahal, but article is with Mahal, Smart. As we say, the Kapil Sharma show. The article is not with Kapil Sharma, but article is with the show. So we can say that a common noun can take article, but a proper noun has no right of taking an article with it. Apart from this, for your kindest information, I will tell you, a word cannot tell its real meaning. It is the structure of a sentence which can tell a word's real meaning. A word's real parts of speech cannot be identified until it will work in the structure of a sentence. It is the structure of a sentence which will decide its real parts of speech. It is not a verb which will decide its parts of speech. A word may work as a noun, a word may work as an adverb or as an adjective. It is the structure of a sentence. A separate word has no meaning, no clear meaning. Although it is a meaning, but no clear meaning. A word has no clear parts of speech until it will work in the structure of a sentence. Mohan goes to school. Here school is not a noun. Here school is an adverb of place. Ram reached Delhi on Sunday. Here Delhi is not a common noun, but Delhi is an adverb of place. On Sunday. Sunday is not a proper noun, but Sunday is an adverb of time. So we can say that it is the structure of a sentence which will decide a word's parts of speech. It is not the word that will decide its parts of speech. Apart from this, when we see that either a verb has an object or a preposition has an object. Verb can take an object. It is transitive verb. Preposition also has the right of taking an object, but its object can be a noun or pronoun. Its object can be an adverb of place, can be adverb of time, can be adverb of frequency, can be adverb of reason, anything. So verb's object can be a noun or pronoun, but a preposition's objects, apart from being a noun or pronoun, they are adverb of time, place, reason, action, etc. So when students are ready to identify an object in a sentence, they are advised to ask only one question from a verb. What? The answer of what will always be a noun or pronoun. If the answer of what is a noun or pronoun, then that is a transitive verb. If its answer is not a noun or pronoun, then it is an intransitive verb. Because a verb can take an object and its object must be a noun or pronoun. A preposition can take an object, but its object, apart from being a noun or pronoun, they may be an adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of reason, adverb of manner. The answer of what is always a noun or pronoun, but answer of when cannot be a noun or pronoun. It will be an adverb of time. Answer of where. Answer of where cannot be a noun or pronoun. Answer of where will be an adverb of place. Answer of why cannot be a noun or pronoun. Answer of why will be an adverb of reason. So we can say that verbs object and prepositions object both are totally different from one another. So in the concluding part of this discussion, we are going to conclude the whole lecture that a noun, if talks about generalized things, which is in general form, then it will be a common noun. If it is a specific one, then it will be a proper noun. As we say that district, the name of a district, the name of a state, the name of a country, they will be a proper noun. But if we talk about country, state and district, these are common nouns. If we talk about Prayagraj, if we talk about Uttar Pradesh, if we talk about India, these are the proper nouns. Proper noun always focuses on the